Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Debian Linux 13.1. Okay, first open the default web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Click on download or download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select the Linux distribution. Select the Debian, then we have to see the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of 13, 12, 11. Okay, now we have to execute these commands one by one. Okay, open terminal. First install CS certificates and call. Type and hit enter. Now import the repository signing key. It is done. Control A. Now create the repository configuration file. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you want to install 16, you have to give 16. If you want to install latest version, don't give any version number. Just hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, type and hit enter. See here, max connection set to 100, shared buffer size 128, and this is the time zone. It is as for the host time zone. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running, and it is enabled. Q2kit control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, and this is the version of the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. Now verify the version, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.6. Okay, now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for Postgres. That is, so verify list of users. See, we have only one user, which is super user. So command is alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Control A. Now create database. Before that, verify databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Okay, now create database. Create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer. See, we have created table. Let us verify. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name and this is the type of the object, and one is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session by using \q to exit. Connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL is installed on this one. U must be caps, then username David -d means database Postgres, then provide the password of this user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that you have created. \c or connect, both are same. Now run the query against the table that you have created. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges on this object. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Debian Linux 13.1. Can't stop or start with this Postgres user. Okay, exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, start it. Exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. We took it Ctrl-L. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. Now sudo su-postgres PSQL. Now we will see how to find the config files and important directories. Show config_file. See, this file contains PostgreSQL server level configuration parameters. Show hba_file. This file contains host-based authentication rules. Show data_direct. Show log_direct. See, these two files are in this directory and these two are in this directory. Okay, this data directory contains data information, log directory contains log information. Exit. Now go to dbeaver.io and another tool is pgadmin.wars. See here, dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, DB admins, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family, and more. Okay, then we have to come to here. See here, we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is the open source. Click on download. Then we have to click on this Linux Debian package to download. The other tool is pgadmin. See here, click on download. Then for Debian or Ubuntu operating systems, we have to click on this apt. See, it supports Debian 13 also. Then we have to run these commands. We have two versions, web mode and desktop mode. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Debian Linux 13.1. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.